nurses, let's answer one of your questions. How many years ang bedside experience required? So for most companies, I've noticed that they need at least 1 year of hospital bedside experience. To some, they really require it should be from a tertiary hospital. For my company, our requirement is 2 years hospital bedside experience in tertiary hospital. So why do we need bedside experience? A work from home nurse naman tayo, will be dealing with computers. Because you will be practicing your profession. You will still be applying your clinical knowledge, clinical judgment, analysis. Part of our role is we are reviewing cases na mga procedures, diagnostics na i-request nila sa mga insurances nila. So, our role comprises of reviewing charts, doctor's order. So, dapat it's a must that we have a clinical experience that will greatly help us in performing our role. Kailangan ba talaga bedside? Hindi pwede yung sa student experience natin. No, it's not possible, or it's mandated, it's required that it should be a bedside, mostly tertiary hospital experience. So yes, bedside experience is mandated. To most 1 year. For my company, 2 years of active or current bedside experience. Alright, yun lang. I hope you learned something. Bye!